Welcome back to our channel, friends. Today, we're diving into a delicious and special Moroccan recipe perfect for Ramadan, batbout. These soft, pillowy breads are often served during iftar, and they pair wonderfully with a variety of dips, stews, and even sandwiches. So, let's get started and make this traditional Moroccan bread right in your own kitchen. Here's what you'll need for batbout: 2 cups of barley flour, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of warm water. Add gradually. Start by combining your dry ingredients, flour, sugar, salt, yeast, and baking powder, into a large mixing bowl. Mix them together so everything is well incorporated. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, optional, but adds a nice softness. Now, it's time to add the water. You want it to be smooth and not too sticky. Once the dough comes together, we'll knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's soft and elastic. Don't forget to add your olive oil if you like extra softness. Once done, let the dough rest for about 30 minutes, or until it doubles in size. After the dough has risen, we'll divide it into small balls, about the size of a golf ball. Then, roll each ball into a flat disc, about 5 to 6 inches in diameter. Or spread the dough using a roller and cut it into small circles. Don't worry if they're not perfect. They're meant to look rustic. Once your discs are ready, you can lightly dust them with some barley flour to prevent sticking and give them that signature texture. Now, heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Place each disc onto the pan and cook for about 2-3 minutes on each side. You'll see them puff up as they cook. That's a sign they're ready. Once both sides are golden brown, your batbout is ready to come off the heat. These batbouts are perfectly soft and fluffy on the inside, with a beautiful golden crust. They're perfect for dipping in soup, using as a sandwich, or simply enjoying with some honey or olive oil. They're absolutely delicious, and they'll bring a taste of Morocco to your Ramadan table. Thank you for joining me in making this traditional Moroccan bread, batbout. I hope it brings you joy and flavor this Ramadan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking and Ramadan Mubarak.